In an era where safety is no longer a luxury but a necessity, technology has emerged as a reliable sentinel. Imagine having a personal guardian, ever watchful, ever ready. Enter the RX3 Pro body-worn camera, a marvel of modern technology designed to enhance your safety. The RX3 Pro is not just a camera, it's a high-tech body-worn device designed for professionals and individuals who value their security. With its advanced night vision capabilities, it delivers crystal-clear footage, even in low-light conditions. The darkness is no longer a cloak for the unseen. This camera boasts a wide field of view of 170 degrees, capturing both minute details and broader perspectives. Whether you're navigating the bustling city streets or exploring the great outdoors, the RX3 Pro is your reliable witness. But this device isn't just about vision, it's about stealth and endurance. With infrared lights for stealthy operation and a long-lasting battery for extended recording times, the RX3 Pro is always ready, always vigilant. Durability? Check. Weatherproof? Absolutely. The RX3 Pro is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it your ideal companion, come rain or shine. And it doesn't stop there. This device comes with built-in GPS for precise location tracking, a feature that enhances your safety by providing real-time location data. And with the ability to stream in real time and remotely access recorded footage, you're never out of touch with your surroundings. When it comes to personal safety, one must consider their unique needs. Whether you're a professional in law enforcement, a security personnel, or an individual who values their safety, the RX3 Pro is designed to meet your needs. It's not just a product, it's a commitment to your safety. So as you step into this new year, think about your safety needs. How could the RX3 Pro meet them? How could this device enhance your personal security? Consider this not as a mere purchase, but as an investment in your safety. Because in a world that's unpredictable, it pays to be prepared. And the RX3 Pro body-worn camera is prepared to safeguard you. Share the love and go to acticams.com or follow the link to find your own personal bodyguard.